Angel hair pasta recipe. Ingredients: 8 ounces, 225 grams, angel hair pasta. 1 pound, 450 grams, large shrimp, peeled and deveined. 4 cloves garlic, minced. 2 tablespoons olive oil. Zest and juice of 2 lemons. 1/2 cup chicken broth. 1/4 cup heavy cream. Salt and pepper to taste. Fresh parsley leaves for garnish, optional. Step 1. Cooking the angel hair pasta. 1. Carry the water to a turning bubble over high intensity. 2. Add the Heavenly Messenger hair pasta to the bubbling water and cook as indicated by the bundle directions until still somewhat firm, and that implies the pasta is cooked yet somewhat firm to the chomp. 3. Mix the pasta sporadically while it cooks to keep it from staying together. 4. When the pasta is cooked to your ideal surface, cautiously channel it in a colander. 4. Wash it momentarily with cold water to stop the cooking system. 4. Put the pasta away. Stage 2. Setting up the shrimp and asparagus. 1. In an enormous skillet, heat the olive oil over medium intensity. 2. Add the minced garlic to the skillet and sauté for around 1 moment until it becomes fragrant. 3. Add the shrimp to the skillet and cook for 2 to 3 minutes on each side until they become pink and murky. 3. Eliminate the cooked shrimp from the skillet and put them away. 4. In a similar skillet, add the asparagus pieces and sauté them for around 3 to 4 minutes until they are delicate and fresh. 4. Eliminate the asparagus from the skillet and put them away. Step 3. Creating the lemon garlic sauce. 1. In the same skillet, add the chicken broth, lemon zest, and lemon juice. 1. Stir well to combine. 2. Bring the mixture to a simmer and let it cook for about 2 minutes to reduce slightly. 3. Reduce the heat to low and add the heavy cream to the skillet, stirring continuously. 4. Continue cooking the sauce for an additional 2 to 3 minutes until it thickens slightly. 5. Adjust the seasoning according to your preference. Step 4. Bringing it all together. 1. Add the cooked angel hair pasta to the skillet with the lemon garlic sauce. 1. Toss gently to coat the pasta evenly with the sauce. 2. Add the cooked shrimp and asparagus to the skillet, distributing them throughout the pasta. 2. The combination of flavors and textures will make each bite a delight. 3. Cook the pasta, shrimp, and asparagus in the sauce for an additional 2 to 3 minutes over low heat. 3. This will allow the flavors to meld together. 4. Remove the skillet from the heat and let the dish rest for a minute to allow the sauce to settle. Step 5. Serving and garnishing. 1. Transfer the lemon garlic angel hair pasta with shrimp and asparagus to a serving dish or individual plates. 2. If desired, garnish the dish with fresh parsley leaves for added freshness and visual appeal. 3. Serve the pasta immediately while it is still warm and enjoy. Conclusion. Congratulations! You have successfully prepared a unique and refreshing lemon garlic angel hair pasta with shrimp and asparagus. The combination of the delicate angel hair pasta, zesty lemon garlic sauce, succulent shrimp, and tender asparagus creates a harmonious blend of flavors that will please your taste buds. This dish is perfect for a light and flavorful meal that is both satisfying and refreshing. So gather your loved ones, savor each bite, and enjoy the satisfaction of a homemade pasta dish made with love. Buon appetito!